Warm welcome. You're watching To The Point. I'm Preeti Chaudhary. We come to you on the eve right before the first phase of polling kicks in Bihar. We thought we would be discussing something to do with Bihar, but it has to do with Rahul Gandhi, who, what the Congress claims, has dropped the H-bomb, the Haryana bomb, where he's made grave allegations when it comes down to vote chori. The big question, will it have any impact on Bihar?
In Haryana, 5 categories.
A day before the Bihar polls, Rahul Gandhi has dropped what he calls a hydrogen bomb, a sweeping set of allegations that he says exposes electoral sabotage in Haryana. Addressing media in Delhi, Rahul Gandhi alleged there were 25 lakh fake voters in Haryana elections, which he claims led to his party's defeat.
25 lakh vote chori in Haryana. 2 crore total voters. Vote chori of 25 lakhs, possibly more, but confirmed bias of 25 lakhs. That means 1 in 8 voters in Haryana are fake.
He leveled a series of explosive charges. Charge 1, photo of a Brazilian model is on 22 voter cards. Charge 2, one woman's photo was used 22 times in 10 booths. Charge 3, a conspiracy was hatched to turn Congress's landslide into a defeat in Haryana. Charge 4, Haryana Chief Minister hinted at vote fixing. Charge 5, Election Commission is in partnership with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. Rahul Gandhi called it the biggest theft of democracy, alleging the party was cheated out of fair result.
This is a fundamental attack on the democratic soul of India. The attack on Mahatma Gandhi, on Ambedkar ji, on Jawaharlal Nehru, on Sardar Patel, on Subhash Chandra Bose by the RSS. That's what this is.
The Election Commission swiftly rejected all the allegations levelled by the Congress MP. Election Commission sources said the Congress party has filed no appeals or objections regarding electoral rolls. The poll body further questioned how Rahul knows the fake voters voted for BJP. The BJP has hit back, saying the allegations are baseless and desperate. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju said Rahul Gandhi's hydrogen bomb has failed to make an impact and the results reflect people's mandate.
बिहार में तो कुछ बचा नहीं है, इसलिए ध्यान को भटकाने के लिए हरियाणा के इशू को लेके आ रहे हैं और फजूल के बातें लेकर के एक प्रस्तुतिकरण किया है. मैं उस पे नहीं जाना चाहता हूं क्योंकि सब फर्जी था.
Suddenly पिता का नाम change हो गई.
With the leader of opposition claiming that a conspiracy is being hatched in Bihar, the spotlight is once again on the Election Commission. Bureau Report, India Today.
Excel sheets of fake photographs.